In this video, we're going to look at the different product pricing types. The difference between them is going to affect how you set their availability or their inventory and how their pricing shows up on an invoice. We're going to start with type A. On a type A product, you're going to have one or multiple units for sale, and each of these is going to pull from the same shared availability. In this case, I have a 25-pound bag, a 5-pound bag, and a 1-pound bag. So if I set my availability as 100 total pounds, when someone purchases 25 pounds, that availability is going to change to 75 total pounds. The next type of product is your B1 and your B2. Now, both of these are going to use exact weight, but how they show up on the invoice is a little bit different. So for B1, we have beef. For a 1-pound package of ground beef, we've set our unit price at $7. And here we want to adjust the unit weight. If we leave this as 1, when a customer logs in and looks to purchase, it's going to show the product price as $7. But if our ground beef ranges from 0.95 to 1.05 pounds, we want to adjust this unit weight to give a better idea of how much this product could cost. So we put it at the high end, and in this case, 1.05 pounds. What that's going to do is adjust the product price. So when a customer logs in and they see a 1-pound package of ground beef, they'll see that it's $7.35. However, once they make the purchase, Marissa will pull the item and enter the exact weight. The reason that we put the unit weight at the high end is so that that price always goes down. A customer is not going to get surprised by higher priced beef than what they saw online. They might just get it a little cheaper because the package is a little bit smaller. On a B1 product like ground beef, if the customer purchases multiple units, so 2 1-pound packages, they're each going to show up as their own line item on the invoice with the total weight of that product and the total price of that product listed separately. For a type B2 product, they're all going to be on the same line of the invoice. We're going to set it up very similar. So I have my single spaghetti squash, which goes for $2 if it's 3 pounds total. However, if my range is 2 to 5 pounds for a single spaghetti squash, I want to set this at 5 pounds so they know that they're going to pay $10 for the biggest one. Again, we're setting our unit weight to the high end of the weight spectrum so that customers aren't surprised by a higher priced item than they thought that they were getting. If someone ordered multiple spaghetti squash, unlike the ground beef where it shows up on individual lines, this will all show up together. So if they purchase 2 spaghetti squashes, it's going to show one line with the total weight of both products and the total price for both products listed together. The final pricing type is a type C, and that's used for something where you want to keep all of the products together online, but they pull from a different availability. So in this case, someone's going to click on cupcake packs to see that I have 3 different flavors: chocolate, mixed, and vanilla. I can set the unit prices however seems fitting, and I can leave the unit weight blank. On these ones, we're going to set up the availability so that when someone purchases a 6-pack of chocolate, it doesn't affect the availability of the mixed or the vanilla.